All right, guys, third video, refinishing the original wood floors here in Upland, applying the second coat. Remember that green bamboo? Now it's beautiful bamboo. Took these old reducers off and made a custom reducer. So much better. Look at that. So much better. And remember, this used to look great, and it still does, but it's not going to be brand new like this bad boy. This has been coated, lightly sanded, getting ready to apply the second coat over here. Dante, you going to do the final video when they fit after the second coat dries? All right, we got one more video. Beautiful.